Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to delete messages on iPhone from both sides. So if you send a message to someone on iPhone and you want to delete it immediately without the person checking or view the message, or once the person check the message, you want to delete the message all by yourself from your own end and from the other person's end, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is open up your message app and just have to create a message. So I'm going to say, hello, do you remember the pixel? Remember the pixel? Okay. Pixel. Alright, good. Let me just add it. Good. Now I'm just going to say this. Hello, do you remember the pixel? So just send it, right? So I only have about 2 minutes once the message is being delivered for me to be able to do this message. So I'm just going to tap on this message. I'm going to long click on it. Then I'm going to tap on do send. Don't delete. If you delete, you only delete for yourself, but you can't delete. You have no power over on the other person's device. So you cannot delete the other person's message, but what you can do is go on send, and you only have about 2 minutes after you send the message. That's the time specific for that. So just tap on send, and you can see now you unsent a message. So the reason why this doesn't work out is because I'm sending the message directly to myself. You get it? The reason this is not working, you unsent a message which is not unsent. The reason is that this video tutorial, I'm using it myself as an example. So I send this message to myself. I also receive the message to myself. But if it is to another user, another hand, you will be able to unsend the message. So let's try our luck again if it works. So now, good. Let's try it immediately. Let's try it immediately. Send. I guess because I'm sending the message directly to myself, so that is why. But if it is to another person or another user, it will definitely unsend. And that is how you can delete messages on iPhone for both sides. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.